that also is very small number. It is not a big number. Maybe hardly about 35, 36 healthcare workers have got it, and because they are re-exposed, no, they are working in the COVID areas only. And other than them, I don't think anybody has got if they are vaccinated.
So, and from May 1st onwards, the vaccination for 18 and above will be free of cost in government hospitals or private also?
See, as per the protocol, the vaccination strategy laid out by Government of India with effect from 1st May, every manufacturer has to reserve and supply 50% of his production to Government of India, which will then be supplied to the state governments as per their allocated quota, which has been happening even now, for vaccinating 45 plus and all healthcare and frontline workers free of cost in the government setup. The mechanism of providing vaccines to the private sector and then recovering 150 rupees from them for the government and allowing them to charge 100 rupees extra will cease from 1st of May. The rest 50% production that the manufacturers will do, out of that they will supply some to state governments and some to the private sector. And they have to declare a transparent pre-declared price before 1st of May, which for Covishield has been done by its respective manufacturer. 400 is the rate for state governments to procure and 600 for the private sector. The state government of Goa has taken a decision that vaccination through its centers of even 18 plus population would be free of cost. It would cost the state government 400 rupees from Serum Institute. For Covaxin, no price has been declared yet. We are still awaiting the details. And so far, Goa has only vaccinated or administered the Covishield dose because that is what we've received from Government of India. So this is the detail. Private institutes with effect from 1st of May would not get any vaccines from the state government or Government of India as per the laid out strategy so far.
Sir, from 1st of May, this vaccination for above 18 will start.
Yes.
Now, at present, there are so many vaccination centers are there.
Yes.
But after this 1st May, there will be crowd over in the.
So if an increase in the number of centers is merited, it will be done. There is no issue about that. Even an extension in timings could be mulled. It all depends on the turnout.
At present, we have got 37 centers in the government sector and 25 centers in the private sector.
सर ऐसी क्या वजह है जो टूरिस्ट लोग आते हैं, भले वो कम आए जास्ती आए, लेकिन उनके आने की जगह पे यानी रेलवे स्टेशन, बस स्टेशन से एयरपोर्ट पे टेस्टिंग की फैसिलिटी उपलब्ध नहीं की जा रही है? क्या क्या वजह है ऐसी? वो गवर्नमेंट के ऊपर क्या ऐसा दबाव है जो नहीं करना चाहते?
आप बताना चाहेंगे डॉक्टर साहब? सी, देयर इज नो प्रेशर ऑन द गवर्नमेंट. या ऐसा कोई दबाव नहीं है. दी ओनली इशू इज लॉजिस्टिकल कंस्ट्रेंट्स. टेस्टिंग कैनॉट हैपन एनीवेयर. इट हैज़ अ अप्रूव्ड ICMR लैब सेटिंग्स में ही टेस्टिंग हो सकती है. तो इट इज़ नॉट कि एक मशीन हम कहीं ले गए और वहाँ पे हमने टेस्टिंग स्टार्ट कर दी. इवन जो हमारी मोबाइल टेस्टिंग वैन दैट हैज़ बीन डिप्लॉयड एट GMC सो दैट डिपेंडेंसी इज क्लियर्ड एज सून एज पॉसिबल, इट इज़ a very specialized set of equipment and specialized set of fabrication से वो है. It is like a lab on wheels. तो टेस्टिंग फैसिलिटी को हम कहीं पे भी जाकर अगर हम एक कमरा मिल गया और हम लगा देंगे, दिस इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल. उसके कुछ साइंटिफिक मेडिकल स्टैंडर्ड्स हैं प्रिस्क्राइब्ड बाय ICMR, उसकी सर्टिफिकेशन होती है, उसके बाद वो लैब स्टार्ट फंक्शनिंग.
लेकिन सर्टिफिकेट तो मांगा जा सकता है ना आर्टिफिशियल.
कलेक्शन तो इज हैपनिंग. कलेक्शन सेंटर्स आर फार मोर देन व्हाट आर लैब्स आर.
आपको नेगेटिव सर्टिफिकेट जो टूरिस्ट आ रहे हैं ना, उससे सर्टिफिकेट तो मांगा जा सकता है कि आर्टिफिशियल में आप नेगेटिव है करते हैं.
See, that is a call for the that matter is with the government, and abhi tak the decision is what it is, and you all know that.
What is the status of the oxygen?
Oxygen supply currently is adequate thanks to the efforts of Honorable CM and HM. Government of India has yesterday included Goa in its revised allocation plan for a certain level of daily oxygen supply from the plant nearest to Goa that manufactures liquid medical oxygen. The plant is situated at Kolhapur. At present, the oxygen requirement is adequate. We have adequate supply.
सर, जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने कहा है कि गोवा इज अ सेंसिटिव डेस्टिनेशन, तो इस दावे को खारिज करने के लिए गोवा सरकार से कुछ प्रयास हो रहे हैं? जिस तरह से महाराष्ट्र सरकार ने बयान किया है कि ये गोवा इज अ वेरी सेंसिटिव,
I am yet.
आप देखा जाए तो परिस्थिति उल्टी है। जहाँ तक कि महाराष्ट्र से जो टूरिस्ट आते हैं, इसके कारण गोवा में इस तरह की
देखिए, I will not be able to respond to speculative questions. I am not aware of any such official communication from Maharashtra.
लेकिन गोवा सरकार से कुछ तैयारी तो हुई है कि बाबा आपने जो दावा किया है वो गलत है, आप ऐसे।
मैं आपको वही कह रहा हूँ, मुझे ऐसे दावों की कोई जानकारी नहीं है अधिकृत तौर पर, तो इसलिए आई विल नॉट बी एबल टू रिस्पॉन्ड टू दैट. लास्ट क्वेश्चन वी कैन टेक.
Doctors in BMC have demanded accommodation and they are saying that they cannot share a room because if one doctor is contracted and it will pass on to the other. So that accommodation is provided by health department.
I don't think that demand has come officially, but if such demand comes, I think the government will take a call on that. पहले भी ऐसा कॉल लिया गया है. Right? Thank you so much.